Hello, welcome to Math Made Simple. In this session, we are going to solve for x or to find the value of x. In this problem, we have to take or bring like terms together. In other words, you have on the left-hand side 9 to power x plus 3 to power 2x. You take 1 on the other side, you have 53 plus 1. So you have 9 to power x plus 3 to power 2x is equal to 54. The next thing is you simplify the left-hand side because it's quite clear that 9 can be written as 3 to power 2 multiplied by the x plus 3 to power 2 multiplied by x is equal to 54. These are like terms, so what you have, you can either sum this and you have 2 into brackets 3 to power 2x is equal to 54, or you can choose to introduce an unknown and say let 3 to power 2x be equal to y. Therefore, considering this one here, say that becomes y plus y is equal to 54. Therefore, 2y is equal to 54. Considering this one here, 3 to power 2x is unknown, so you'll still have 2 into brackets or 2y is equal to 54. You can see they are the same. Moving on, since you're interested in y so that we can be able to get the value of x, you divide both sides by 2. Y on the right hand side, you're left with 27. So the value of y is equal to 27. But remember that the value of y is 3 to power 2x. So you replace it here. 3 to power 2x is equal to 27. How else can we write the value of 27? 27 can be written in terms of 3. And just on the left-hand side, we have 3 to power 2x is equal to 3 to power 3, which is the value of 27. Common basis, you're left with 2x is equal to 3. Divide both sides by 2. On the left hand side is x, on the right hand side is 3 over 2, which is equal to, also can be written as 1 and a half. That is your answer. I'll see you in the next session. Bye bye.